Have you ever pondered about the magnificent planet of Jupiter, and who first laid eyes on this celestial giant? It's a question that takes us back to the dawn of civilization. You see, Jupiter is one of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye, and it has been known to humanity since ancient times. Its imposing presence in the night sky led the ancients to name it after the king of their gods. The ancient Greeks named it Zeus, while the Romans knew it as Jupiter. This celestial beacon has been an object of wonder for millennia, but the first detailed observations of Jupiter were made in the early 17th century by an Italian mathematician, physicist, and astronomer named Galileo Galilei. In 1610, through the lens of his rudimentary telescope, Galileo observed 4 points of light that seemed to dance around Jupiter. He initially thought these were stars, but as he continued to observe them night after night, he realized these points of light were, in fact, moons orbiting Jupiter. This was a profound discovery, one that would challenge the then-accepted geocentric model of the universe, which held that everything revolved around the Earth. These moons are now known as the Galilean moons, named in honor of their discoverer, and they are among the largest objects in our solar system outside the Sun and the 8 planets. They are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each of these moons is a world unto itself, with unique features and mysteries that continue to intrigue scientists to this day. Jupiter, the 5th planet from the Sun, has been a constant fixture in our night sky, a symbol of power and majesty for ancient civilizations and a source of endless fascination for astronomers. It's a testament to human curiosity and our quest to understand the universe that surrounds us. So, while we've known of Jupiter for millennia, our understanding of it began to take shape only a few centuries ago. Did you know that Jupiter is so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it? That's right. Jupiter is the behemoth of our solar system, dwarfing all other planets in both volume and mass. Its enormity is not just about size, it plays a critical role in shaping the planet's unique characteristics. For instance, Jupiter's gravity, a direct result of its mass, is over 2.5 times that of Earth's. This intense gravitational pull has profound effects, from shaping the planet's atmosphere to influencing its many moons. Speaking of moons, Jupiter's gravitational might has pulled in a staggering 79 known moons to date. That's the highest number of moons of any planet in our solar system. Jupiter's size is more than just an impressive stat. It's a key factor in understanding the planet's composition, weather patterns, and its incredible array of moons. Indeed, Jupiter's size makes it a standout member of our solar system. What makes up this colossal planet, and what is its atmosphere like? To answer that, let's take a closer look at Jupiter's composition and atmospheric conditions. Primarily, Jupiter is made up of 2 of the most abundant elements in the universe, hydrogen and helium, making it quite similar to the Sun. However, unlike the Sun, Jupiter's core is much denser and hotter. Scientists speculate this core to be a heavy mix of elements, including metals and rock, wrapped in a thick layer of metallic hydrogen under tremendous pressure. Surrounding this core is an extensive atmosphere, teeming with swirling clouds of ammonia and water, giving Jupiter its distinctive striped appearance. These stripes are, in fact, the manifestation of different cloud layers in Jupiter's vast atmosphere, moving in alternating directions. Now, let's talk about the weather on Jupiter. To say it's stormy would be an understatement. The planet is riddled with turbulent weather systems, the most famous of which is the Great Red Spot. This is not your average storm. It's a massive, swirling tempest larger than Earth itself, and it's been raging on for at least 300 years. The high-velocity winds here can reach speeds beyond 300 miles per hour. But the Great Red Spot isn't the only storm in town. Jupiter is also home to white ovals and brown barges, different types of storms that appear as light-colored circles and dark elongated features respectively on the planet's surface. The storms on Jupiter are a testament to its dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is also responsible for some spectacular light shows. When charged particles from the Sun collide with the planet's atmosphere, they create bright auroras at the poles, similar to Earth's northern and southern lights, but many times more powerful. So, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of Jupiter, we find a planet with a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere, teeming with storms and displaying stunning celestial spectacles. With its swirling clouds and raging storms, Jupiter's atmosphere is nothing short of dramatic. Jupiter's family is quite large, with it being the parent to over 79 moons. Yes, you heard that right. Jupiter, the colossal gas giant, commands an impressive entourage in its orbit, each moon unique in its own way. Among these celestial bodies, Ganymede stands out for its sheer size. It's not just the largest moon of Jupiter, but indeed the largest moon in the entire solar system. Ganymede is even larger than the planet Mercury. This icy satellite, with a diameter of over 3,200 miles, is the only moon known to have its magnetic field. Its surface is a mix of two types of terrain: dark regions, heavily cratered, and lighter regions, marked with an extensive array of grooves and ridges. Then there's Io, a moon that could easily be the poster child for celestial chaos. Io is the most volcanically active place in the solar system. This moon is a hotbed of volcanic activity, with over 400 active volcanoes spewing sulfur and sulfur dioxide. The vibrant, colorful patches you'd see on Io are actually due to the various forms of sulfur and molten silicate lava. It's a fiery world, so different from our own, yet so fascinating. But the intrigue doesn't stop at Ganymede and Io. Let's talk about Europa, another of Jupiter's largest moons. Beneath Europa's icy surface, scientists believe there's a salty ocean that could be twice the volume of all of Earth's oceans combined. These subsurface oceans, warmed by the tidal forces of Jupiter's gravity, could potentially harbor life, making Europa a key interest for future space missions. From the largest moon in the solar system to the most volcanically active place, from a moon with its magnetic field to another with potential subsurface oceans, Jupiter's moons are a diverse and fascinating group. Each one holds a unique story, a different piece of the cosmic puzzle. With such a diverse array of moons, Jupiter's celestial family is as fascinating as the planet itself. What are the latest revelations about this massive, gaseous world? Let's delve into the freshest discoveries from NASA's Juno mission, a spacecraft that's been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, giving us unparalleled insights into this celestial giant. One of the most mind-boggling revelations has been about Jupiter's core. Previously, we believed Jupiter had a small, dense core, but Juno has turned this theory on its head. The data suggests that the core is fuzzy, more spread out and diluted than we initially thought. This core is not just a clump of heavy elements, it's mixed with a significant amount of hydrogen and helium. This diluted core theory suggests a violent past for Jupiter, possibly involving a catastrophic collision with a protoplanet. Let's shift gears and discuss Jupiter's magnetic field. Juno has found that Jupiter's magnetic field is twice as strong as previously believed, the strongest in the solar system, in fact. But it's not just its strength that's fascinating, it's also incredibly complex, with variations in strength across different regions. This suggests that the magnetic field is generated closer to the surface than we thought, possibly caused by a layer of metallic hydrogen. Finally, let's talk about the deep winds that shape Jupiter's iconic cloud bands. Juno has discovered that these winds descend to great depths, as much as 3,000 kilometers, and they're incredibly powerful, reaching speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour. These findings have helped scientists understand how Jupiter, and other gas giants like it, can generate such powerful and long-lived storms. So, what does all this mean? Well, every new piece of information helps us piece together the puzzle that is Jupiter. With every discovery, we're learning more about its formation, its evolution, and its place in our solar system. With every new discovery, Jupiter continues to mystify and captivate us. So, what have we discovered about this celestial giant? Let's take a moment to orbit back through the wealth of knowledge we've gathered. Jupiter, a marvel of our solar system, was first discovered by our curious ancestors who turned their gaze towards the night sky. This behemoth stands out due to its staggering size, dwarfing our home planet and even the rest of the planets in our solar system. Its composition and atmosphere are equally fascinating, with swirling storms and gaseous layers painting a vivid picture of a world so unlike our own. The numerous moons that orbit Jupiter, each with its unique characteristics, further add to its intrigue and complexity. Our understanding of Jupiter has been significantly improved by the latest findings, shedding light on its mysterious nature and captivating our collective imagination. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Jupiter remains a source of fascination, a testament to the wonders that lie beyond our own world.